As part of our cooking series on Southern foods, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedures for barbecuing chicken. Once you know how to barbecue chicken, any recipe with ingredients you like will be terrific. Whether you marinate the chicken or not, you should dry the skin before putting it on the grill. That way the skin will be crisp. At Dixie Bones, we apply a dry rub to the raw chicken to flavor the skin when it's done. What we're discussing here is smoking the chicken away from direct flames. Use a good hardwood to produce the smoke. You want the chicken to cook fast in a 325-degree environment. It will only take an hour to an hour and 15 minutes depending upon the size of the chicken. The breast cooks faster than the thigh, so test the thighs to tell when the chicken is done. Prick the thigh with a fork. If the juice runs clear, the chicken is done. This happens at approximately 145 degrees on a meat thermometer. Don't overcook the chicken. Let the chicken rest covered loosely with aluminum foil for 15 or so minutes. The temperature of the meat will continue to rise to around 175 degrees, perfect for serving. As with all barbecued meats, do not marinate or baste the chicken with anything containing tomatoes, as it will burn. Now find a recipe that sounds good to you, incorporate the things we shared, and you'll have your family's own favorite barbecued chicken. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.